This is an electronic ruler that makes measuring a breeze. When you want to measure something, just slide it lightly. It can measure both straight lines and curved lines, and works well on either flat surfaces or irregular surfaces. No longer need a boring old tape measure anymore. This little gadget can measure up to 99 meters with ease and accuracy. The smartest purchase I have ever made. I love this thing. It saves me so much time and effort. You can measure absolutely anything you need. It's so convenient and is so much more than a normal tape measure. Test the accuracy real quick. You can even save the measurements. Perfect every time.
Alright, gentlemen, I want you to repeat after me, just how I do it. Ready? Your turn. Another good time.
Get ready to measure like a boss. Our electronic measuring ruler tape is the perfect tool for anyone who wants to measure quickly and accurately. Order now and see the difference for your electric ruler. Trying it. This is so awesome. How to measure things in seconds. We created a digital measuring device. Now you don't have to spend hours using rulers. Just simply roll it along any surface. It even works on circular objects. Introducing the Smart Ruler, the first fully wireless and digital ruler. Measure anything curved or straight at millimeter precision. Made of durable